on, y'all? Welcome to the YouTube channel Monster's Garage. It's your boy Amir, aka Monster. And man, today is a special day. We are going to pick up my 2023 G80 M3, and it is in an individual color. I think you guys will like the spec. We got some nice footage, some nice content coming. Stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Make sure y'all follow me on IG. Let's get it. It is here at the dealership, man. I'm gonna blur it out, but it is at the dealership. Let's go. Currently waiting on the bro Rick and his world record stock turbo G80. That car is an absolute animal. I'm gonna give y'all some snippets of that. But yeah, man, does mid 9s in the quarter mile, mid 5s, 60 to 130, absolute supercar killer. Can't wait to get in-car and out-car footage of that. Stay tuned, man. Meantime, while we wait on my guy Rick, I wanted to give you guys an introduction into what Monster's Garage is about and who Monster is. Back in 2019, I brought an F82 M4. That car was an absolute animal. Together with the tuner F80 Paul and my go-to shop, M Life Auto Care, my guy Rick, we took that car to break world records. It was doing crazy times, 60 to 130, low 5, 60 to 130. Did a 9 in the quarter mile at 144, almost 145. And it was an absolute beast, absolute animal to drive. I had so much fun with that car, and I know the new owner's enjoying it, my guy Jeff. Shouts out to my guy Jeff. But yeah, man, that car literally deserves a video of its own. I'm gonna give out some snippets of that. Fast forward to 2022, back in March, I brought a G80 M4, and with the same shop and the same tuner, we were one of the first to hit 9s in the world for that platform, the G80, G82 platform. Unfortunately, it was lost in an accident back in June of 2022. It was a total loss, which brings us here today, man. New beginnings. Let's get into it. And guys, I'm about to pull up. I already see what's going on, man. I already hear it. Y'all hear that? Guys, them here, they here. My guy Ray.
My boy.
What's good, what's good? What's good, my guy?
Ready?
What's good? Yeah,
Ready?
You're ready, you're ready. Ricky Rick.
Shaking, boy.
Let's do it, bro. It's time to pick up the beast, man.
Yes, sir.
Come on, now we pulling up sturdy. I already see what's going on. Do I need to say less, man? Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. I'm tired, sticky, man.
Yeah, man. Sticky Mickey. Ooh. Sticky back there, boy. Wow, man.
Y'all already see what's going on.
Yes,
We haven't even got off the block yet.
Vibes.
Facts, we haven't even got off the block yet, man. Come on.
Woo! Woo! What you talking about?
Come on. Yo, the camera just hit my fucking face. The camera just hit my face, man.
Yo, that's sturdy, boy. You gotta be sturdy.
Guys, them behind. See what's going on. Detour to the gas station. The beast needed to drink. Only 61 miles. We gotta go to Brooklyn, so get some gas real quick. Stay tuned, man. Yo, soon we'll be putting E in that one as well. This one is about to get a nice daily dose, as you see. Nice daily dose of some E, as you see. All right, so we're gonna see what it costs to fill up the G80. Sheesh. So it is done. And it took $31 on E85, like I said, E. $31. All right, so As y'all see, man, back to the highway, man. Let's go. Regular New York shit. But yeah, man, I'm excited to take y'all on the journey of building these beasts. Rick's is gonna be easily over 1,000. We're gonna build mine to 1,000. If it goes up past 1,000, we're gonna take it past 1,000. But I'm excited to take y'all on this journey, man. You know, we're gonna really go up. We're gonna go up, set the tone, man. Set the tone.
Service.
We have arrived. Squad with me. Feels, man. Sir. So what's these
right
here?
here?
What's these here? Those are blue chews?
This shit where y'all niggas don't know how to drive. You pop one of these.
Drive a mod.
Drive a mod, boy.
See, look, he want one
See?
too. He want one too. He want one
Come
too.
on, come on. You get one, nigga. Crazy. You tripping like that, cuz?
Yeah. So yeah, man, we just waiting on the car, finishing up some paperwork, and then it's time to see the new beast. Sheesh. Nah, y'all gotta see this. This is ridiculous, man. Y'all see what's going on. Oh, man. Sheesh. Oh, my God. So, yeah, man. First drive in the G80. See my boy Rick? Go ahead. You good? Rav, yes, sir. You know what's going on. Amazing, bro. Seats amazing. Car feel amazing. Back in action. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Right now, you high.
Yes.
I told you right here. You here. I got you. You on FaceTime? We got you.
Oh, man.
You about to do a little flicks real quick. And you'll right back to the show. Alright, you feeling me? Go ahead. I know you missed that!
Yes! Yeah. Yes! This is what I needed.
I know you missed that feeling, boy.
Come on, man. So yeah, YouTube, I'm excited to take this journey with y'all. Building a G80 M3 to 1,000 horsepower. And if we could go past 1,000, we're gonna do that. 110%. If we could build 11, 1,200, 1,300, listen, y'all gonna determine what goes on. So yeah, man, first drive in the M3. Definitely feels nice, man. Definitely feels nice, man. Let's get some sound clips, see how it sounds stock. It's not too bad. Let's see what's up.
destination is on your right.
So yeah, man. Eternally blessed, eternally grateful. Stay tuned. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Get to it. Bro pulled up with me, man. Make sure y'all follow his YouTube as well, man. Let's get to it. So yeah, we with the Germans, but y'all, we got some American work too, man. Hey, yo, give it something. Give it something. That shit's too crazy. Come on, man. With my guy Ray, photographer Ray. See if we get some spins, man. It gets a little rowdy. Okay. Not too bad. Alright. I mean, she spins decently. It likes to get out. If you hit it in first and then second, it'll spin. Like, if you hit it, it'll spin a little bit. Definitely gets out decently. Oh. So yeah, man, we just arrived at the mall parking lot. We're gonna take some pictures of the car, maybe some pictures of me with the car. And yeah, man, I'm tired as hell, man. I'm ready to just knock, go to sleep, and maybe see this car in the morning, man. Look at it. My guy Ray about to shoot.
Yes, sir.
Sniper.
Yo, cut the wheel a little bit.
Cut the wheel. This way, right? That way?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, my fault. Tired. The paint. So if y'all don't know, this is Frozen Pure Metallic 2 with Miami orange carbon bucket seats. That's the spec I went with this time. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this shit is crazy. I don't even know how I'm here in the cold like this. Look what's going on. It's cold as
Fly
shit.
shit only though. Fly shit only.
But yeah, man, it's cold as hell. Breeze. Sheesh. Shit is crazy, man.
This is what we on.
I don't know, man. Y'all tell me, should I buy another F82 as a project car? Y'all let me know, man. Project car would be crazy, maybe single turbo. I don't know. I'm gonna let y'all determine this one. Y'all let me know what y'all wanna do. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, all that. And getting the lighting ready so I can take an IG picture. A little IG picture head ass. IG picture head ass. Getting the lighting and everything right. While they doing that, maybe you hear how it sounds, man.
got it. That's what. Yo, this shit moves. This shit moves.
Behind the scenes, man. Y'all know what it is.
I see why you cocked me, my boy. The camera's fine. I ain't gonna fly. I didn't know it was moving like that. This nigga's moving and shit. Yeah, look at he's fly. Monsters Garage. Y'all know.
Sir. So we're gonna test a little launch. Once this light turn green, test a little launch on it and see what it does. Back home, and today I think was a successful day, man. We picked up a G80 M3. We had fun with all the guys. We got some rowdy content, and I'm excited to take y'all on this journey with me, man. So make sure y'all like, make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all turn on the bell notifications, follow all my socials, all the YouTubes you see here. Let's get more into it, man.
Fake star with the waist.